Hello, I am David W. Parker. This is Programming Today I Learned, WebGL series, episode 30, and today we're going to be looking at having multiple shader programs in the same application simultaneously. So if you look here in our index, the first thing that you can see is that we now have 4 lines of shaders that are going to end up being preloaded. We have V1s and V2s here, differently named files, and let's just go take a look at each of those real quick. So here's our first vertex and fragment shader pair. This one just takes in the position, and this one just sets the color to white. The second one takes in a position and a color and varying, and sets that for the fragment shader to set the GL frag color based off that varying. So you've seen each of these in previous examples, but not simultaneously. So what you can actually see here is within our main here, we actually have this capacity to load each of these and then make a shaders array. And so we're pushing all of these into the built programs into shaders array. And then we're just going to go ahead and do everything as we normally would. So editing buffers and adding the event listener of mouse down. It buffers iterates through and does our normal spiel that we did before. And mouse down takes and sets a random color for the color shader, and then points and does the draw just as normal as well. The render buffers is done in the draw file. So just like last time here, we're going to be putting all these points in A position, A colors, even though we're not necessarily using them for all of them, the first shaders for example. Now here's the interesting part, is we're actually just going to grab the specific shader, and obviously you can name these and do different things with them, and we'll look at that in a future episode. But right now we're just grabbing the first one in the array, using it, and then going ahead and drawing everything out. And so we're just going to do a line loop here. So you could see, as an example, we have the first shader, and all we have to do to change it to have be able to use the other one really easily is just change and uncomment that file. So similarly, if you had 2 different draw functions, you could actually probably be drawing these simultaneously. And we'll actually look at that kind of thing in a future episode. That's it for today. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, upvote the video, share it on social media, and go ahead and go to ProgrammingTIL.com and sign up for my newsletter. Have a great one.